In this short video, I'll show you how to import a CSV file into Excel and format it. First, open your Excel. Now go to the Data tab up here, and the left side is From Text/CSV. Go ahead and click that one, and go find your CSV file. As for me, I already found it right here, so I'm going to click on Sales Dashboard Example 1, or maybe Sales Dashboard. This one. Import. It's going to take a bit of time, but once it does, it will show you this tab, and it will show you what is the CSV file, the contents of it right here. It will be automatically adjusted and analyzed, so there's nothing to worry about that. Just go ahead and press load, and it should load into the Excel. There we go, right here. Now, in order to save this as an Excel file instead of a CSV, you can go ahead and press Control S right here and change it into something like CSV to Excel. Press save. There you go. Now you know how to import a CSV file into Excel and format it. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.